How to install Brave on Smart TV in 2025. I'm going to tell you how to get Brave browser working on your smart television. Unfortunately, Brave isn't officially available in most smart TV app stores like Samsung, Hisense, or Android TVs. So you'll get to sideload it. If your TV runs Android TV or Google TV, grab the Brave APK from the official GitHub or APK mirror. Load it onto a USB or transfer it with send files to TV. Then install it via a File Explorer app. You'll likely also need something like Sideload Launcher to actually open Brave once it's installed. On TVs without Android OS, like many Samsung models, the best option is using a streaming stick, Fire TV, or Chromecast with Google TV, or plugging a laptop into the HDMI port. You'll get full browser performance that way. Just remember, Brave isn't optimized for D-pad navigation, so using a remote mouse or keyboard helps.